2 pizzas and a drink came to 17. The drink was 3, so how much was 1 pizza? No X anywhere in that, right? Wrong. There is an X hiding in every one of those sentences, and today you learn to catch it. Words go in, an equation comes out. This is the skill people actually use.
Algebra from scratch. Part 5. Turning words into X. Rule 0. And it is the one everybody skips. Name the unknown. Out loud, on paper. Let X be the thing the question is actually asking for. Skip this, and you will solve for the wrong thing. Then translate phrase by phrase. The word is means equals, of times, and each mean multiply. English has a dictionary, and this is the algebra half of it. More than and total mean plus. Less than means minus. And hold that one because less than is a trap, and we will spring it in a minute.
Back to the pizza. Rule 0. Name the unknown. The question asks for the price of 1 pizza, so let X be exactly that. Now translate. 2 pizzas is 2 times X, plus a 3 for the drink, and came to 17. That is an is, so that is an equals. 2x plus 3 equals 17. And look at what we built. That is part 1's homework. Peel the 3. Minus 3 from both sides. 2x equals 14. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 7. 1 pizza, 7. Box it. Now check against the story, not just the equation. 2 pizzas at 7 is 14, plus a 3 for the drink. 17. And the question asked for 1 pizza, which is what X was. Always answer the question that was asked.
Here is the trap I promised. 5 less than a number. Almost everybody writes 5 minus X, because that is the order the words arrive in. It is backwards. You start with the number and you take 5 away from it. X minus 5. English tells the story in one order. The maths does not have to follow. And the bags are back too. Twice the sum of a number, and 4 is not 2, X plus 4. The sum is the whole bag, so the 2 multiplies all of it. When a phrase feels slippery, pick a number and test the sentence. Numbers still snitch.
Boss level, and it is a riddle about me. Half my age plus 7 is the same as my age minus 3. So, how old is Professor Quirk? Rule 0. Let X be my age. Half my age is X over 2. The same as means equals. My age minus 3 is X minus 3. There is the equation. A fraction. You know what to do, clear it. Multiply both sides by 2. Every term. X plus 14 equals 2, X minus 6. Herd the X's. Subtract the smaller pile, 1x from both sides. 14 equals X minus 6. Peel. Add 6 to both sides. 20 equals X. I am 20 years old. Box it in. Check the story. Half of 20 is 10, plus 7 is 17. My age minus 3. 20 minus 3. 17. It matches. A sentence became an equation, and the equation gave up its secret.
The recap, and this one is a checklist. 1. Name the unknown. Let X be what the question asks for. 2. Translate phrase by phrase. Is becomes equals, and less than flips the order. 3. Solve it with the toolkit you already own. 4. And this is where marks quietly disappear. Answer the question that was asked. Next time, the equals sign itself changes. What happens when a problem says at least or at most, and the answer is not one number, but a whole range of them?
A like tells the algorithm this classroom deserves students, homework, and it is a story. A taxi charges 4 just to get in, plus 2 for every mile. The ride cost 20. How many miles was it? Name the unknown, build the equation, comment your answer. I read every single one. Class dismissed.